When we talk about Georgette sarees or Georgette fancy saree, Georgette printed sarees, one of the South's fastest products, which is fast moving in the fancy, in the printed Georgette fabric. Yes, my friends, today I'm going to showcase you from the textile Kesaria manufacturers, which I'm brought for you, the latest varieties from the Georgette varieties, only fancy saree, lightweight, friendly budget, low range. 200 to 300, 320 range of. To know the actual prices, please, my friends, take a screenshot and contact the online team. So, my friends, today I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Only we are going to see the samples from the Georgette fabric. And before going to the video, I want to tell you, don't see the thumbnails prices and don't get confused. What I'm communicating in the long video or the short video, please take that and you can call and find out the actual prices. Why I'm not actual prices mentioning? Because many resellers or boutique resellers are tie up with us and they are purchasing with the wholesale Kesaria. Yes, my friends. But when you're seeing the thumbnail and the thumbnail is something and you're saying is something, I just want to tell you everyone, I have not mentioned any particular price as of now in the videos. I always share only approximate prices. So don't get confused by seeing the thumbnail prices. It's a request. Oh, so hope you understand my point. So let's see the collections. So everyone, if you are watching first time this collection in this channel, so subscribe, follow. Every will get clothing business sarees latest updates in this channel. So let's see. So first pattern, you got the lavender color with the sequence varieties with the butta printed handwork and batik pattern and chunky thread work. So let's start with the lavender base. You got the white color combination with the cut blouse with the pattern of the silver butta and silver sequence, which is covered with this. Triveni is the code. In this, I want to show you the one more color, which is light Rama green shades. This is the pattern, silver butta, sober saree. This is one of the pattern. Next pattern, if I talk about the golden foil printed without border, you can see without blouse. In this saree, there is no blouse, but for this, you can find out the matching collections, even the running material or the ready-made blouses also from the Kesaria Textile. This is a color which is a rose milk color. Very pretty. This is onion pink with the rose milk. This is one of the pattern. Every pattern I'm showing you two varieties, but every set is having 8 colors, 12 colors. So next pattern with the kesar color, which comes with the plain color with the sober, but the work is only in the blouse. You can see the chunky golden thread work which is highlighted. This is one of the pattern. Light parrot green, lovely color, sober color, which is very classy. So light green with plain with comes with the blouse like this. Coming to silk pattern, I just want to tell you dark maroon, very beautiful butta printed with the butta foil printed. You can see the borders, gap borders with the traditional touch with the leafy pattern. This is a lovely color, and in this you have a dark mehndi green. This is one of the pattern which looks like this. So without blouse, with blouse, I brought it for you. The next saree which I talk about is stunning, which is casual look with a stylish. So one of the light Rama green shades which goes with the blue also. The batik pattern, the cotton with the sequence and thread work which is covered in this. So this is the pattern, and in this I just want to show you multi-parallel designer saree with the yellow color with the batik pattern with the cotton running blouse. Coming to the handwork, which is only heavy highlighted with the blouse work. You can see the covered sequence on the thread work, 3-layer thread work which is done, and the fancy tassels on the saree you can find out. The dark maroon red, this is the pattern, and the peacock blue which comes here, this is the pattern. So golden foil with the laria base, you can see the prints. So two varieties in the every sample I brought for you. So total 6 varieties I've shown pattern. Every variety you can see the two colors. Yes, my friends, these color charts are every set is having 8 to 12 colors. So to cover in the video, I can't show all the colors. So I just brought for you these varieties. Hope you enjoyed. So if you're looking for Georgette fancy lightweight sarees, 200 to 300, 320 range of varieties, you can take a screenshot, you can call online team, and you can place an order. COD Pan India is available, 20 to 25 minimum order purchase. And to start up a business, to add on into your business, Kesaria manufacturers will support and to guide you. Every counter we have a latest updates. So without getting before getting out of stock, you can place an order. So to regular updates, you can follow this channel and let me know in comments which color you liked it, and let me know your name and city from where you're watching the video, and please share the link with everyone. Next video will meet with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting.